don't be making with bitches for hype. Shorty be doing too much for the likes. You know I'd rather be living my life, yeah. Hey, I got my own dope. I don't need no mans.
Ignore my nails, please. Like, don't drag me. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Savage. You guys know what you came here for, don't you? Also, I apologize for the background noise in my mom's house. So like, I can't control the volume out there. Shall we? Don't be shy. There you go. First thing I put in my cart, I put it in the box backwards. I'm so sorry. Pero this is OLEHENRIKSEN's Let's Get Luminous skincare set. I had no idea who this man was. I would have seen him walking on the street. He could have passed by me. I wouldn't know a thing. I'm sorry to this man. Okay, so these two are the ones that I've used so far, and they were already doing me great. Another little bottle is a Truth serum. The one on top is a banana eye cream, and the one at the bottom is like a vitamin C moisturizer, and they're orange because they have like an orange scent to them. Well, I lied. The banana cream is banana. It smells like banana pudding almost. So good. You don't need a lot of it at all. Just do a little bit, because you know we're just trying to stay how we is. The Truth serum, this is the best serum I've ever used. It doesn't leave any type of residue on my skin. I apply it before moisturizer and before any acne creams. I literally put this on right after I wash my face every night, only once a day. I wouldn't suggest using it morning and night because I follow the rules. I don't make them. So nice on my skin. It smells like citrus. If you don't like citrus, stay away from this. It smells like fresh oranges, almost clementine-ish. The only reason why I'm raving about this is because I had a pimple scar on my nose that was like a dent. Only I could see it though. First morning when I woke up after using the Truth serum, it was gone. She's that girl or that guy, whoever. The next thing I got were these Pore strips, 4 Blackhead strips, and then 4 Pore strips. But let me just show you what they look like. They're very kind of thick, and I don't know what material to describe this as. Almost like a silicone. I also ordered their Pimple Acne Healing Dots. That one had an ingredient list on the back, and it said it had aloe. It has a like 0.5 salicylic acid. But yeah, the Blackhead, I put it on overnight, Blackhead strip, and as you can see, it's like almost like a skin color sheet. What it did was just like pull out all the oils and things on my nose. So when I took it off, it was all like cloudy and white and gross. But didn't really, I honestly saw like 3 or 4 blackheads. Maybe I just don't have that many that are that big. I tried this brand from Amazon. I think it's called Mighty Spot, something like that. But it's kind of like this, except it's completely clear, and they come in a bunch of different sizes, so you can see, you know, right through it when you put it on. Seeing people put it on and then put makeup on top of it. So I don't remember what it's called, but it's on Amazon. It definitely works better than this, and this is like 2 times the price. So that is Sephora for you. Next skincare product that I was super excited about is this GLAMGLOW kit. My obsession with Sephora started when I was about 13, 14, and I would always go into the store and ask for a sample of this mask. It is their GLAMGLOW Hollywood SUPERMUD clearing treatment. It also brings like a toner as well as an illuminating moisturizer. Haven't tried either of those. I've only tried the mask, but like, look at this packaging. It's so cute. Like, I want to use this box for something, but like hoarder vibes. But yeah, if you haven't tried this mask, I don't recommend it if you have sensitive skin. It's basically like a super minty, refreshing charcoal mask. Still love it. I cannot control the noise.
Papa?
No, I'm not your papa. So the next skincare item I bought was this fresh soy cleanser. I remember using it as a sample at some point, and I really thought it was good for my sensitive skin because it is very gentle. It doesn't have any exfoliants in it. It's literally like a gel cleanser. It doesn't leave my face feeling dry or anything like that. So I think this is bomb, and it smells good. It reminds me, it gives me like an aloe vera feel almost. There probably is some aloe in there. I haven't opened this at all, but I'm so excited to. By the way, I don't know how to say this name, so don't bake me.
TATCHA? Okay, TATCHA.
It brings the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, the Dewy Skin Cream, the Silk Canvas, and the Violet Sea Radiance Mask with brightening Japanese beauty berries. They got their own beauty berries, bitch. I'm out. Japan 2020. But yeah, I haven't tried any of their stuff. This is supposed to be skincare for makeup lovers, for like dewy makeup, which is what I'm gonna be doing a lot of because this winter is like beating my skin's ass. Next thing is the FARSÁLI serum sampler. Didn't think they were gonna be this small. The purple one is Unicorn Prime, Unicorn Essence Prime. White one is Gold, Rose Gold Elixir Hydrate, and the black one is Volcanic Elixir Nourish. We'll see how this goes. I haven't tried any of these skin goals. I had to get the Hangover Too Faced stuff. Don't be shy. There again. I believe this is their hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid, coconut water, dragon fruit, and vitamin B5. Ooh, this is a good size too. Or maybe it's just the lid. Coconut water, prebiotic, and probiotic. Ooh, the packaging is so cute. I love it. I love it. This is their face primer, love. Yes. Why is this so long? Oh, my mind. I knew there was something going on. I like that. I like that there's a little pump. I literally bought a whole foundation and a whole concealer. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos of people reviewing it, and I was like, that looks like my color. So let's find out if that was a good idea or not. Let me start with the concealer. I got it in the shade Light Beige. Ooh. Oh, I think I did a good job. Hold on. I think I did pretty good. Hold on. I have some on my finger. Put it right here. It looks great. Blends great on my hand. Blends great on my chest. This is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. It doesn't have a smell, which I love because drugstore makeup be smelling like be smelling, and I'm just like, yo, like, are we supposed to use this? Like, is this okay? Next is the foundation. I got the shade Natural Beige. It looks kind of dark for me. It looks like that's gonna be like my summer color. Blend it out, it doesn't look terrible. It's blended somewhere here. This was the foundation and that was the concealer. I can see the foundation a little bit. I don't know, I think I did a good job. Pat on the back. I'll let you know how that foundation and concealer is. Path McGrath. Yeah, I will say I'm not a fan of the packaging just because like this reminds me of like when I was in school. But like I remember I used to have folders with this shit on it. This pot is absolutely divine, honey. Absolutely divine. You already know iridescent pink right there. Right there. She gonna be my friend. She gonna be my best friend. I haven't tried it yet. I will soon in another video. I think this was on sale. This is a Kat Von D kit. I only got it because of the highlighter prism, which I will be trying. So It brings mini everlasting lipstick in Double Dare, mini tattoo liner, and a mini mascara. It's beautiful on the outside. Hopefully it's just as pretty on the inside. Blue sapphire and ultraviolet amethyst. And that's them, ladies and gentlemen. That's what they look like. I don't know, the purple one, yeah, I'm not very impressed. I wanted to put one of these on actually, but now I don't really want to. I mean, they're pretty, but like, chalky. I really splurged because I got this full-sized FARSÁLI rose gold skin mist. If you haven't seen it, look at this. Just this actual gold in it. It is just so gorgeous. I've been waiting to try it with you. I think I sprayed it too close. While I sprayed it, I literally like inhaled some of it, and wow, it smells good. It doesn't smell like rose water, it just smells good. I also meant to cover my eyeshadow, but I didn't. Yeah, it doesn't taste good. It fell on my lip. It does not taste good, but it's not to eat. So it's to hydrate, prime, and set. I'm probably gonna use this as a hydrator. I know you guys are tired of looking at my crusty, musty, dusty lips. So I got the Fenty Beauty Milk Diamond. Excuse me.
Wow, gorgeous.
You're not supposed to put gloss on top of chappness, but this is Fenty. This is amazing. It smells like, it's like a diluted Skittle smell. I'm not gonna taste it. I'm not that person anymore. I don't know how to say his next name. Kevin Alcon. I'm not sure. I got their lipstick in the shade Crystal Clear. Oh, it doesn't have a smell, which is good. It's like iridescent. I picked up the Kat Von D 24 Hour Super Brow Long Wear in the shade Roxy Purple. I think this was the only shade they had left. But purple is also like my favorite color. Like, I'm a purple person even though I'm wearing blue. My god, that is beautiful. Look at that. Basically, it looks like a purple pomade. I want you to look at it. Look at it real good. Like, see, sometimes they're really pale and then they're super contoured and then they're really pale again. I hope I don't have it backwards. And then they're contoured. Look at that beauty. Highlighter, blush, mixture of all three. Whatever that is. I love it. I just want to show and tell. I had to. And I had to. And then this one, I got it in the shade Butter. Ooh. Look at that. I'm not planning on using both of them to bake. Oh, this is so beautiful. Butter. Look at that packaging. I love it. The size, everything. Oh. Yeah, I mean, underwhelming packaging for sure. It looks super, super white though. I haven't opened it. Any 4 colors you pick is a look. Love, love, love Violet Voss even before they were in Sephora. This one is a pretty popular one. A lot of people have it. I'm not gonna open it just because it has like literally these colors. They are so pigmented because they're neon pressed pigments. The powder shit that people use like to stack up and they sell it on Instagram and things like that. Imagine that in a pan, love. Yeah, it's quite mad. It's a Christian Louboutin lipstick, love. And guess what color? Clear. But loves it. It is so iridescent that you can see it from there. From where you are, you can see it there, yeah. I haven't opened it, but I will just for you. Ooh. Yeah, this was the last product. Well, actually, the Chanel perfume was the last product, but yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully my nails is done because this is not it.